So we got this situation to handle. We have to find out the limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 2 dot 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 1 by, look at this, last term they wrote in different way. Okay, so what I will do, I will break down this question into specific pattern. So in every term they have wrote n plus something, so I will write down last term as n plus something, and to make 4n we have to write 3n. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this, how I will respond to its summation form. So how I will write, look at here. So limit n tends to infinity summation, can I write 1 by n r. Now who is r? R starts from 0 to 3n. Just tell me, can I do so? Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now look at this. Now what I will do, you know that while handling limit of a sum, we need to replace this summation sign with integration and then r by n as x and then 1 by n as dx, correct? So we will try to create this situation. Now, so if you'll observe, to create n below r, what I will do, I will take n common from the denominator. So limit n tends to infinity summation r starts from 0 to 3n and then 1 by 1 plus r by n and then n. I have taken n common from the denominator. Okay. Now look at this, what I will be doing. Now I am ready to remove the signs. Look at this, how I will manage. So you know that there is 1 by n which will be replaced by dx. So it is dx. Now upon dx we can write 1 plus x. R by n will be replaced by x. Now integration. You know that r is 0. So suppose r is 0, this r by n will become 0. This means lower limit will become 0. Correct? Now, if you'll observe this 3n, if you'll replace r with 3n, you will be having 3. This is done. Now your question sum up to this situation. Now you have to do the integration and you are done with the question. Now, do you remember the integration of 1 by x is log x. So you have to take this thing as z and then you will have integration as log z. So can I write ln 1 plus x plus c, but it's a definite integration, so no need to write that part. It's 0, it's 3. Okay, now substitute the upper limit. If you'll substitute the upper limit, you will be left with what? ln 4 minus, if you'll substitute the lower limit, you will be left with ln 1 which is 0. So we are left with what? ln 4. Therefore the required result is ln 4. I hope you got the idea, and whenever you guys will observe this kind of situation where you are handling limit and you have to find out the limit of something which is approaching like which is something like adding things so many times, so it is limit of a sum question. Okay.